Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to get a job in CAD design as a fresher. So for this one, first step you need to learn any designing softwares. So this video is mostly talking about the how to choose the designing software and what are the softwares currently having more job opportunities. Next slide we will see what are the softwares. These are the major softwares currently most popular in India: Catia V5, Unigraphics, SolidWorks, Creo, AutoCAD, Inventor. About all these softwares we will see in each and every slide. These are the 3D modeling softwares currently used in different domains, different industries. Most top MNCs are using these softwares. If you learn this software, you can get a job in the MNCs companies. But before getting a MNC job, at least you need to work on any mid level of companies to gain the experience. Directly you won't get in MNC companies as frequent. Per year maybe they will take 10 to 15 people as a fresher, or mostly they will select it from the campus. But if you have 1 to 2 years of experience, directly you can get a opportunity to enter into the MNC companies. If you want to choose a design career, at least it will take 5 years to get a good amount of salary. After that your career growth will be big. You have to be a patient, then only you will get a opportunity in CAD design. First we will see about the Catia V5. So in Catia we have different workbenches, but most popular workbenches I have highlighted in red. So by using Catia V5 we can do part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal modeling, assembling, drafting and harness. So companies or domain which you are using Catia is automotive designs, fixture designs, aerospace designs, consumer good designs and manufacturing design. Manufacturing design is nothing but creating the mold. So companies like Ford, Tata, Mahindra, Electrolux, Hero are using Catia V5. If you are learning Catia V5, you need to give more attention to surface modeling and harness workbench. So currently harness is emerging. Harness is like a developing design. So if you get a chance to learn harness design, then you can easily get a designer job. So if you are going for Catia V5 design software learning, you need to ask the center to how they are giving priority on the surface design. So in automotive design like exterior BAW, trim part, plastic part designs all are doing by the use of Catia V5. Fixture design is nothing but it is used in assembly line, how the part is going to fix with another part. So by using automation, the fixture is playing a major role, taking the part and fixing with the another part in the assembly line. So as I told, I have added only few companies, but in upcoming videos we will see detail about Catia V5 design, what to learn and how to approach for the job. So here I have just placed few of the companies. You learn Catia V5, you can get a job in majorly on these 5 domains. According to these domains you need to learn the software. Whenever you are learning the software, Don't learn only the software, just get to know about the manufacturing of those parts and as well as how it is assembling. So next we will see about the Unigraphics. In Unigraphics we can create part model, surface model, sheet metal model, and assembling and drafting. So mostly currently Unigraphics is started using for the surface design in the field of automotive, and we are using sheet metal and part for the heavy vehicles like bus, and then we are using in the manufacturing mold design and fixture design. As I told previously, fixture design companies like Nissan, Suzuki, Fiat, Daimler, BMW, Benz are using Unigraphics as their 3D modeling software. So Unigraphics is going to play a major role after 5 years in the design of automotive, because it is cheaper compared to Catia V5. Companies have started migrating from Catia to Unigraphics. But if you see surface design best in Catia V5, but nowadays people started using Unigraphics for surfaces. So if you are learning Unigraphics, if you learn the surface modeling, then you will get a job immediately. Most of the centers are not providing surface design tutorials to the students, so make sure your center is providing. Next we will see the SolidWorks. So in SolidWorks we can do part modeling, assembling, drafting and harness. So in SolidWorks mostly using in the domains of valve design, medical device design, aerospace and tool design. So tool, maybe it is a sheet metal tool design or plastic tool design. Valve, in oil and gas field they are using SolidWorks as a for designing the valves. So most precise parts are designing by the help of SolidWorks. The companies like General Electrics, Diebold. Here I have only 2 companies. We have more companies using SolidWorks. Diebold is a ATM machine making company. So SolidWorks also having more openings. Next we will see about Creo. In Creo also we can create part model, sheet model, assembling and drafting. So Creo plays a major role in sheet modeling. So heavy machine designs, sheet metal design, locomotive design, tool design. So companies like Caterpillar, it is a heavy machine design, most of them know. And then Alstom, it is a locomotive design. In those areas they are using Creo. So Creo is specially for the sheet metal design. Here also I have only 2 companies. Most of the companies using sheet metal design, they are using the Creo software. Creo is previously used to call as ProE. Creo also having more than 150 workbenches. Next we will see the Autodesk Inventor. By using Autodesk Inventor we can create the sheet metal parts, assembling and drafting. So in Autodesk Inventor majorly we will see the part and drafting. So in machinery industries, casting part design, manual creation design, tooling designs, Autodesk Inventor is using. Who are all previously used Autodesk 2D software, now they are upgraded to 3D. So those companies who is having more than 30-50 years, they are using Autodesk Inventor. In automotives, no less or only few of the companies are using Autodesk. So slight modification in the drawings for the standard parts. Those areas the company is using Autodesk. Next video we will see each and every software and their jobs, how to, from where we need to learn these courses. We will see in next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like, share with your friends.